Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Battlefield 2042 offline. It's important to understand that Battlefield 2042 is designed as an always-online experience. This means that to play the game on your PlayStation 5, you will consistently need an active internet connection. Unfortunately, there isn't a traditional single-player campaign, and even if you wish to play by yourself against computer-controlled opponents, an online connection is still required. While a full offline mode isn't available, you can still enjoy playing against artificial intelligence opponents. This solo experience allows you to hone your combat skills and familiarize yourself with maps and vehicles at your own pace. The game can populate matches with up to 128 AI soldiers, creating intense, large-scale battles that feel dynamic and challenging, perfect for practice before joining live multiplayer. You'll find AI bots support primarily within the all-out warfare modes, including Conquest and Breakthrough, offering familiar large-scale battles. Additionally, the Battlefield Portal feature allows you to create custom game experiences where you can set up matches entirely against AI. This flexibility lets you tailor the combat scenarios, from map selection to specific rules, providing diverse and engaging gameplay with computer-controlled forces. The requirement for a constant internet connection stems from Battlefield 2042's design as a live service game. This model allows developers to frequently release updates, patches, and new content, ensuring the game evolves over time. Staying connected means you always have access to the latest features and a consistent, dynamic multiplayer environment, even when playing solo against the game's advanced artificial intelligence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.